Hi, I'm Josh with Best Tax Pro, and I'm excited to guide you through the next steps for securely exchanging your sensitive tax information. Today, I'll show you how to set up your online encrypted portal and explain the process for getting your signature on an IRS power of attorney so we can get started. First, you'll receive an email from a company called VeriFile, which is the secure online platform that we'll use to protect your information. The subject line will be something like, "You've just received an important email from Josh at Best Tax Pro." You'll see a blue button that says click to authenticate your account. You can go ahead and click that button or read the whole email, but it'll take you directly to the secure portal. Once you're there, you'll need to authenticate your account. So that'll either be on your phone, clicking the next button, or on a computer. This is the point where it checks to see if you're a robot. So if you are a robot, congratulations. But otherwise, you need to click on the CAPTCHA. So on a phone, you may need to pinch the screen to identify all the images of bicycles or motorcycles or basketball hoops or mountains in the background. But once that's done, you'll be prompted to create a password. After entering your password twice, you'll be inside the portal. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see what looks like an AOL chat window with a paperclip on the left, a chat window in the middle, and a send button on the right. This is how we'll share documents. On a phone, you need to probably swipe to the bottom to see that, but always keep an eye on your email for anything coming from VeriFile for new files. Next, I'll be sending you a power of attorney form to sign. Now, this is the form that will allow the IRS to talk directly to me about your tax situation and access the documents that I need to complete your tax return. When you get that document, you're going to print it and you're going to have to sign it at the top of the second page with one of three types of pens. You want either a black felt tip pen, you want a black ultrafine point Sharpie, or you want a fountain pen. The reason why is your signature needs to remain legible. You're going to print this document, sign it, scan it, send it back to me. You can take a picture and attach it through VeriFile, but key is good lighting because we need to make sure that there's no shadowing or overlapping and that paper looks white, not gray. Once I get it, I'll print it, sign it, scan it, and send it to the IRS. Their fax machines are from the 20th century, and if they can't read your signature, we'll have to start all over again. These are just the first steps for getting your taxes taken care of and getting you moving forward with the IRS. If you have any questions throughout the process, give us a call at 763-477-4205 and we'll be able to help you answer those questions. I hope this has been helpful and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.